Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a show on Whatnot. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have scheduled a show on Whatnot, but for some unfortunate circumstance, you can no longer make that show. How do you actually go ahead and cancel a show on Whatnot? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to cancel a show, what you're first going to do is click on Seller Hub on the bottom hand side. And let's actually go ahead and cancel this test show. So click on the upcoming show, then click on it again so you can access it. Then click on the three dots that say more on the right hand side. So this is where you could actually go ahead and click on cancel show and then click on cancel show. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and cancel a show on Whatnot. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.